Okay, I've taken the Bud Light off of the sign, and I need to know where to put this back together. I got to take this apart. So I'm just going to make a rough pattern. It don't have to be perfect by any means. It doesn't have to be finished. You got to hold your pen inwards so that you make the same size tube. This is like 9mm. We don't use much 9. I always did in the beer sign industry. For some reason I'd use 9, but I've never stocked 9. I stock 10, 12, and 15. I have some 18 as well, and I even have some 25, but I just play with that. I don't really sell that. So you want to heat up these boots, and you want to support everything real well. Come on. There we go. I got to break this one loose too. So you really want to hang onto the electrode tight. If you don't, you will break it, twisting and trying to get this broke loose. Come on. I want to cut it just a little bit so I can lift the side. If you can break it loose here, most of the time you can get it. Come on. Really? Okay, there's the splice right there. See, these are just wires on these electrodes is called dummet leads coming off the electrode. So you got to be careful and not break them off the end of the electrode. And hang on, I'm hanging on to the wire. When I was twisting this, I'm ahead of, so you don't break them off. Down here at the head of the electrode, dummet leads, they're not braided. They're old time stuff. I'm going to pull this off so it don't get stuck. All right. Now we're gonna wash out. We have washed out this tube. Now it's dry. It looks good. So if this will fit here, yeah, good. I'm going to turn this over. Easier for me to weld it on. So I'm going to keep most of my heat on my 12mm electrode to start off here because it's thicker. I'm going to touch the bottom, just bring it right up. As I close the gap, I'm going to suck. Okay, I'm sealed. Okay. Set my hand torch down. Blow. Pull. Blow. I'm going to take the hose off. Okay, I got to move the camera. I got the, there we go. I'm going to move it. It's still hot enough. I can go back into it and heat it up a little bit to move it because I don't like it right there. There we go. Much better. Okay. I'm going to put that back in there. Now I'm going to cut this side off. So I put my finger under it to support it. And I want to cut this black stuff out. There we go. Pretty good cut. There again, I'm going to heat my electrode up first. It's a little bit bigger than, this is 10 mil clear I'm welding to with a 12 mil electrode. So you got to shrink down the electrode to match the, so you can see it shrunk. So I'm going to stick it right there, then bring it around. So I'm sucking and blowing, and I'm twisting it around. I have a hole. So I suck and blow, and push. I'm pushing, when I'm blowing, I'm pushing. Okay. So, it doesn't happen very often, but I have way more tubulated electrodes, and I'm out of non-tubulated, so I'm going to seal this one off. So I'm going to pull this off. So I've got this one, and I'll bend him. Okay, you never want to touch the end of the electrode with the flame because it will crack, so you want to stay away from it. Just let it fall. Now I'm going to grab it, pull it, and turn it. I like to make them go up a little bit. Okay.